Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about top website online earning websites. So, if you don't have knowledge about how to create a website using AI, so please click on this I button so you can create how to and you can watch this video for how to create a website using AI. So, in this video, we will discuss about top online earning platform websites. Starbucks.
I will go to Google Chrome over here and I will type here Swagbucks. Swagbucks. I will enter. Okay, you see this is my first website. I will click on this website. Okay. Join for a free, you see here. Agree for terms and conditions for this website. So I will agree it and I will continue with Google over here. I will select this my mail ID. You see here. So you see here. You see there are a lot of things. So you see earn up to 5,740 Swagbucks points. So if you play where for the earn view all, so you click on view all, or you see here you get the 10,000 Swagbucks points. Okay, I will go for the answer. So you see here what kind of answer you see. Answer the survey. You have to do the survey for that. So 3 minutes and you earn 5 Swagbucks points. So I will start for the survey. So I will go and start for the survey. I understand, be honest and I agree. Keeping confidential. Okay, I agreed. All these things. Okay, which of the following gender identifier you mostly closely identify? Right, name, age. Okay, my age is 28. Okay, I will continue it. They start following the information month. Okay, I will 12. Okay, sorry, 06, 02, 12 and 1997. Okay, I will continue it again. Then which of following is identity closely? I will clear it. Then I will 06, 12 and 1997. Page is 27 right now, so continue it. Okay, which of the following TV show currently watch in which seasons of select all and apply? Okay, I will click on none of the above and I will continue it. Okay, what is your pin code? So you have to type your pin code or zip code. You have to type it and continue it. Which is the best describe for current household? Rental apartment, own apartment, rental single family home, own single family home, rental multi-family duplex, triplex and farms and investor residence living. Which okay, I will click on single family like this. Okay, then I will continue it. So you see here in which region do you live? So I will live East India, Northeast India, North India, South India or West India. So I will click on West India. Okay. Then I will next is which language do you speak? Okay, I will select English and I will select Hindi. Okay, and I will continue it. Okay. You see it is my survey get clear over here. Survey form get complete over here. You see get reward. You have to start for the rewarding over here. Congratulations, you have earned 5 Swagbucks points. So you see here I earned for with my survey 5 Swagbucks points over here. Okay, so like that if you want to earn this kind of website to Swagbucks points. So go to Google Chrome over here and you type your Upwork. Okay, so I will click on this website Upwork and I will log in directly from here. After I log in, I will sign in with Google Yeah, if you do not have any kind of sign up, so you should have to sign up first of all, and it's verify my mail account. After that, you have to set your own rates. So remember one thing is you have to set rate, hourly rate or service free. If you want to click this, you will get a service free, or you will get estimated you will receive for a service charges. You have to add your service charges $3 up to $3,999. So please enter the value between $3 to $999. So we add this value of $4. Okay, for hourly rate, and you will get $3.60. Okay, and then next you add your photo and location. So your date of birth, country, the street and address, and if you are apartment, so you have to set your apartment, city, states, zip code and phone numbers. Okay, and you have to upload photo from here. After that, your profile get reviewed and you will get the work from clients. Okay, like that you can earn a certain amount of income through freelancing.
Shutterstock.
Okay. So I will click on here and I will go to Shutterstock contributor. Stock contributor like this. Okay, you see here it is first website you are showing shutterstock.com. Sell photos, footage, clips and illustration and vectors. So you see here this is our first website. Okay, I will click on this website. So this website get open over here. You have to first sign up. Okay. Okay, you have to type your full name, display name, email address and password, and you have to check this box. Okay, suppose I will type here my good name is Monday. Okay, wait a minute. Like this. You have to type your email address over here. Okay, I will check this on email address and you have to suggest your password. Okay, right now we see it. Okay, like this. Okay, and then we will continue next option. Okay, after that, wait a minute, please check your email to verify your accounts. Okay, I will, if you want to save you can save this or you can never also. I will, okay, so okay, no, I will check to my mail ID first of all. Wait a minute. Okay, I will check my mail ID. You see here. Okay, verify your email address. So please click here to verify the email address like this. Okay, I will click here first of all. You should have to email address should be verified. After verify your email address, you type your residential address over here and then you have to check on the next options. You see here notification, welcome to our community, and we can't wait to see you to best work. So you have to upload here. This is your dashboard get open. Okay, I got it, and you have to select the multiple files from here, and then you can upload this kind of image. Suppose I will check this 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this, and then I will upload it. So you see, you have to upload this image like this. Okay. Then after you should next is, and then you can sell your images to the website from this. Okay. Okay, I will show you next. And you see here, upload your content and you can upload it. Okay.
Fiverr.
Processing. I go to Google Chrome over here and I type it Fiverr. F-I freelancing. I will enter it. So look at here, Fiverr.com. So this is my first website. You click over here. So this is my first website. You can see here. In this website, you can take the freelancing for programming, graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translations, video and animation, AI service, music and audio, business and consulting. All these kind of services you can offer you. Okay, so first of all you have to sign in over here. You see here popular services like website development, logo designing, SEO, architecture and interior designing, social media marketing, voiceover, software development, data science and machine learning, product and photography, e-commerce and marketing, video editing. These are the popular websites, popular services. Okay, so I will sign up here over here. I will go to Google and I will choose my account and I will continue it. Okay, I will give my name each. Okay, so I will create my account. Okay, computer is setting the profile. Explore the first of fever. Okay, so complete your seller profile. So I will start my profile over here. So become a seller. So become a seller. Click on become a seller. Okay, so you have to create your own profile over here. Okay, so I will continue it, continue it, continue it. So you type your name, surname, display name. Then you have to add your profile picture. You should add your bio over here. Then which language you want. So if I want English language, so prefer English. Level is basic, conversational, fluent. So I will click on conversational and then continue it. Continue it. After that, you add your professional informations. Then about what kind of career you are doing, what kind of professional you are doing. Like that, you have to add professional information over here. Then account username and password you have to set it. Okay. Then after your account will get open in freelancing for the freelancing. So like that you can generate the income in freelancing also.
See.
So if you want to earn money from the any other website, so there is a one website is Etsy. So I will go to Google Chrome over here. Then I will type here Etsy. And then I will enter it. After that you see here Etsy.com. Okay. So Etsy is an e-commerce platform that allows you to artisan and crafters to sell the handmades and vintage of items. So you go to here and you see here there are a lot of items for vintage items you see, or craftsman's items, or also gift cards, gift items, then personalized ideas, wedding gifts. Okay, you see like this kind of handbags here, then this kind of best gift packagings like that you can create from here. Suppose if you want to sell the item on Etsy, so sell on Etsy, go here and you see here get started, and you can add your address, mail ID, and then you can sell your items to Etsy also. There are certain advantages of Etsy also. Creative, artisan and friendly, and access to the large consumer base and personalized storefronts also. You will also get large consumer base. Then your artisan is user friendly and personalized your storefronts also. It is the best advantages for this Etsy also. So here you see people can take your artist and category for your this website. Okay, so you see I will select here, I will type here handbags. Okay, I will go to handbags over here. Okay, handbags. Okay, you see there are a lot of handbags, printed handbags over here. You see artist and handcraft bags are here. You are showing the handcraft bags are show over here. You can sell your handcraft bags in 14,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees at your cost. And you can also earn money from this online making website also.
So if you like my informative video, So please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.